Howdy, howdy. Well, folks, I finally caught up with my boss, and I got the full story on these E350s. So this car was the accident car. This car was involved in a fatality. Someone died in this car. And there was a lawsuit. So they purchased 7 identical, not identical, but just, other than color, 7 E350 Mercedes, and they conducted tests on them, crash tests. I'm not going to make a game out of it, because let's remember, somebody died in this car. And I'm not going to we'll see if y'all can figure out why. I'm going to show you real quick. You see the airbag is deployed? You see the airbag is deployed? Airbag is deployed. Airbag is deployed. Airbag is deployed. Airbag is deployed. Now the car got hit by a 98 Aerostar van, GMC Safari, similar. So they not only did they go and collect 7 E350s, but they collected 7 Aerostar vans, and those are over at our sister yard at our parts yard. We have a parts yard in the company as well. So this was the car. Airbag did not deploy. And so I guess someone, I don't know the whole story, but look how hard that was hit. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that wheel is oval shaped like an egg. I can see it. But that's the full story on it. Oh, and look here. This is a 4-door smart car. You don't see them in America. We don't got them over here. This car was made, manufactured, and shipped from India to America just to get the crash test done. VIN number starts with a W. I've never seen that in all my years. Pretty neat little car. I was checking it out, but see, the steering wheel's on the other side. It was, there's Chucky, but I'm afraid they'll pick him for the freaking, but that's the full story. Airbag deployed. And this wreck looks almost identical. Almost identical to the other wreck. This one looks just, look at the crinkle. Look at right here in the crinkle, and you can see it almost the same freaking dent. Look, see right here, same freaking dent. Look at that. That's crazy. It looks the same. That is wild. But yeah, they set the crash up 7 times. I wonder how hard it was to find. I hate to laugh or whatever, but I bet it was pretty goddamn hard. I bet it was harder to find the 98 Aerostars. Aerostar, my bad. No, goddamn, it was an Astro van. 98 Astro van. Anyway, folks, there's the full story. I hate that it's got some sad connotation to it, but it's the reality of these junkyards. A lot of times, they were really bad wrecks. But y'all be careful and be kind. Rest in peace. Thank ya.